Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure the router is powered and broadcasting. Check the TV is on the correct input and Wi-Fi is enabled. Once done, restart the router and the TV, hold power for 10 seconds to force a clean reboot. While they reboot, note the exact SSID and password and check whether your router uses MAC filtering. This prevents wasted steps later. Now, attempt to reconnect on the TV. Watch the network name list for signal strength bars. You now dive into settings, open the TV's network menu and run the built-in diagnostics or connection test. This gives error codes and a baseline. If DHCP struggles, set static DNS to 8 or your ISP DNS to bypass DNS timeouts. Make sure IP assignment remains automatic unless you know your subnet. Once that's configured, check Wi-Fi signal strength. If bars are low, move the router closer or temporarily test connection you finish with decisive actions. Update the TV firmware. Outdated software often causes limited connections, and try a wired Ethernet connection to confirm whether Wi-Fi is the issue. If Ethernet works, you know it's wireless. Then reset the TV's network settings and re-enter credentials carefully. Make sure to power cycle the modem and router in sequence if problems persist. If you still see limited connection, capture the TV error message or code and contact ISP or manufacturer support. That single code speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.